instantly hit off. Will instantly hit off if you love animals and nature, have goals and plans for the future. You have a good time. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, you look good though. Oh, who this? Oh, this that snow. Oh, this that good snow. Hold on. This that good snow. Hold on. What's the bio? 18 woman, straight, 5'4". Okay, Bethesda. The key to my heart is not trying to fuck me the first link. Ho, we are going out. Don't even swipe on me. Trying to fuck. You're not getting in. I'm trying to fuck. But still, I'm gonna play that. I'm gonna act like, oh yeah, you cool. Like, I'm trying to fuck with you. I'm just trying to fuck. Alright. What should I say? Yo, what's up, Quenu? What's up, my little son? What's up, little bro? This that good milk. I don't even know what to say to this. Never say that. You're my son though. You my son though. Following my Instagram. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting that. Yo, hold on. That good snow. Yeah, we gonna. Yeah. If I save her picture, is that down bad? Bro, what the fuck? I'm gonna say it. Fuck it. I'm trying to. Can I dive in your snow? Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, tight shit. Your likes at the top. Hinge X gives you like. Me and my best friend. She seen BK the ruler. Fine shit. What's up, though? Where you from? I think you the one. Word up, bro. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I was texting this bitch. I was texting this bitch off stream. I ain't gonna cap. But I said one thing though. Wait, what she look like? I'm trying to know her. Word up, bro. They said you belong. This nigga Slicks made me say this shit. This nigga Slicks made me say this shit. Who the hell said I belong to the streets? I don't even know what to say to that. I wonder if I have my plus still. What if I told you that I'm trans and I have red hair now? What the fuck? Yeah, that is definitely trans. You can tell. Like, look at this. Yeah. Fuck no. I'm dying, like. What the fuck? Fine shit, fine shit. Click maybe later. Oh. My fault, my fault.
I gotta bounce. Bounce on your boy's dick. Anyway.
Shit. Trying to bounce on my shit though. Shh. Let's play Minecraft together. Shit. Sky look like she will beat my ass. She look like she will beat my ass. Yo, what's up, Vance? What's the word in my heart? Vance, did you stream today? Me in the wild. She look like she will fucking stab me. Liking cats and dressing up with me. Yeah, GG.
Okay, so giving me forehead kisses and giving me a blanket when I crash on the floor, because I do that a lot. Yeah, those are things I would always brag about to my friends. But if you know how to tint car windows and you tint my car window, my friends will never hear the end of it. Like, they'll be telling me to shut up.
Pick up?
My family will be telling me to shut up. No one will ever get me to stop talking about you. I swear to God.
What? What type of fetish is that? Like, tinting car? Huh? What?
I don't know though, like.
Yeah, let me get out.
That's your type though.
Nah.
That's cool if that's your type, bro.
Nah. That's not my type. You feel me? Nah, I'm good.
Pen.
Where she at? This girl right here. I said D1 babies would go crazy.
That's the goal. Let's make that goal happen.
Silky doing too much.
Slow down. What is this nigga doing,
Bro. Alright. I said D1 babies will go crazy. She said that's the goal. Let's make that goal happen for real. That's what I said. I said might. She said might just have to. I said you smoke. You know all the bitches smoke. I don't smoke personally, but to secure that mission, I will have to sacrifice. You know. So she said. What?
Nah, you go ahead, keep going though.
Let me turn you up. Oh, you're already all the way up. Nah, but yeah though, right? She said, yeah. I said perfect. She said real bad. I said, what's your IG finna hit you up over there? And she dropped the IG. That's it. That's a you feel me? That's a good mission. You wanna see some other shit?
Let me see some other shit.
Wait, I think
Right.
damn. Wait, she matched with me, but she didn't text me. So I gotta double text.
Double text. Double text that motherfucker though.
What should I say? Yo, what's the word? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm logged out of my Epic. I ain't gonna care about GG's Fort.
Say something like, did you die or something?
Huh?
Huh?
What you said?
Say did you die or something?
Nah. Nah.
Die
See?
next day?
Huh?
That's what Jason told Max to say. I guess that
Okay.
shit worked, nigga. That's what Jason told Max to say. Jason be on this shit 24/7.
Alright, bet. Fuck it.
On the Hinge.
We don't want to see, bro. Yo, Dylan.
Yo, Dylan, get off my dick, nigga.
Yo, Dylan. What up, bro, nigga? Nah, there's some fun shit right here.
Smack you up, little boy.
I said, Kenzie, I think you're the one for me. She said, oh, really handsome. I said, yeah. I think Six told me to say this. Yeah, I can really see us building a connection already.
That shit had this nigga blushing. I already know that shit had that nigga blushing.
What are you talking about? Now, you want? Did you see my profile? You want to see my profile?
Let me see that lame man profile.
Compy. My profile is so comp. All right.
You gonna see.
Boom. 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 Gotta let the bitches see my face. Selfie, little selfie. Gotta let the bitches know I hoot. You feel me? You feel me? Gotta let the bitches know I drive and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Janky read chat like an iPad kid.
All right.
That shit, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, gang. That shit ass.
Nigga, shut up, nigga.
You need to take some more pictures.
Best Twitch view bot. Please. Do not view bot me.
View bot that shit.
Do not view bot me.
Hey, for that view bot you, nigga. There ain't no stopping them. Fuck wrong with them.
Do not view bot me.
Fuck wrong with them.
All right, so you want to look at my For You page real quick?
Yeah, let's look at the For You page.
What you think about this?
Should I get on right now? Should I get on and see?
She want me bad. Michael Jackson bitch are bad. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, she's getting it just cause of that. Nah, she's getting it just cause of that. She's just getting it just cause of that. Cause Jason's
Hold on.
Jason's the GOAT.
She that tough now. She that tough. She tougher. Hold on. Let me go ahead and open my shit up. Share my screen so I can show you how I get it. What I got on here. There be some ugly bitches on my hands. Ew, bro.
Oh my God! I think I'm gonna view. I think I'm gonna fall about it. Oh my God! Oh! Why? Nigga! Bro, leave me the fuck alone, nigga. Bro, leave me the fuck alone. Oh my God, bro. It's fucking weird, bitch.
Nigga getting followed by.
Weird ass nigga, bro. nigga is so weird. W1K viewers? I have 1K viewers? Say on God. She want me bad. Michael Jackson bitch a bad. Yeah, I need her. You like Jace, I love you. She want me bad. He said them young niggas on the way as we speak. Oh wow. Don't fuck with them young niggas. Hey bro, I don't want no smoke, bro. I don't want no smoke, bro. You feel me? She lies. She gives some mean top. Shit, fuck it. Fuck it. $300 blackout my Kel on the way. Oh my God. Close that back door. Close that back door, knocking on your door as we speak, Ja. Shooting at them in advance. Backdoor season on the way as he speak. Backdoor season. She look old. Why she look old? Did she just, why she look like she crying in this? She just got done crying and shit. Shit. She give old head vibes. Where you at, Ja? They 15 minutes away. Yo, Ja. That nigga quiet.
1349 West Grimshaw, come on. Come get me.
Oh.
Come get me. Come get me. Come get me. Come on, slide. Come get me. Fuck. Nigga think I'm supposed to be dead. Nigga, come get me.
What?
Real shit, come get me.
What?
Come get me. Right now. Come get me right now. Come on.
What? They said stay right. They said stay right there. Stay right there, don't move.
I'm gonna make it easy for you. I'm gonna open the window, gang. I'm gonna open the window. I'm gonna make it easy.
Yo. They said please drop low. Oh no.
Come get me right now.
He said come get him. He said come get him.
Come get me. Please come get me, nigga. Please come get me, nigga.
Oh. He said stay right there, Ja, please.
How you change your location, bro? I'm not dealing with no trolls, nigga.
Okay, let me see.
You see my screen?
Okay, yeah, I'm not showing. Don't show it to your screen. Don't. Wait.
Nigga, I'm not even show. That's your screen, dickhead.
Okay, share your screen. I'm not showing. Okay.
What they said?
Okay. Block it. Go back to the app. Make sure you're not showing the stream.
I'm not, bro.
Okay. Click that.
Which one?
The second one.
This?
Yes.
Ooh.
And then choose like a area that's close. Like choose. I mean, sure you can choose whatever you want, but I would choose an area like that's like not like nowhere near you, but like in your area, kind of.
Nigga, I'm choosing Chicago.
Yeah.
don't know what to choose in Chicago. I'm just choose like right.
They say we know you both of them windows shut. Please come out. Don't leave. Ja, come out.
Y'all want me to come? Y'all want me to go outside? Do y'all want me to go outside, bro? I guess I gotta do this.
Okay, well you change your shit, right? Nigga, make sure you like exit out of it, nigga.
They literally can't see nothing. My screen is on my face.
I know, but like if you're gonna go back to the app, then just make sure your shit's set so you don't even have to go back there. Type shit.
Hold on, though. Hold on. Off of that. Let's see what niggas on, though. Let's see what niggas on. Yo, Pen.
Yo.
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 Nigga, hold on, dickhead. Your screen can see my shit.
Nah. It's on my other monitor. You want me to show?
Yeah, hold on.
They said they left. Mikhail was just there. Who's Mikhail?
No, tell him come back. Tell him come back.
Nah, chill. Don't even do that.
Tell him come back. Tell him come back. Tell him come back.
You want me to show you? Wait, you want me to show you stream?
Hold on. You can hear me?
Yeah.
Can you still hear me?
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah. Yes, nigga. Tay walk him down 2 times was just there. MJ2 ski appreciate all the real followers. Nigga, what are you doing? Jari. Your shit cutting out. Who is this? Oh.
What? Yeah. Yo, Pen.
Yo, your shit bugging out, boy.
It said they were here.
Huh? Oh, this nigga outside.
Yo, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Tell them where they at.
You want me to show stream?
Where they at?
Oh nah. They said Ja on that car.
Ain't that for real? They ain't that for real.
Let me catch my man sending a bitch emojis. I'ma put his ass in the emergency room.
Oh damn, Zay, you didn't even see it, cause I'm on this nigga stream.
Shit. Yeah. No.
Congrats on 5K.
This shit.